I was just informed it's 12:26, in case you're wondering. It is a nice afternoon unfolding in most areas. A small shower chance. Most areas will be dry and hot. If you like heat, oh, you are going to love this 7-day forecast because it's not cooling off anytime soon. Highs in the 90s, could be even getting close to 100 by the weekend coming up, or even exceeding 100, depending on what happens in the tropics. But it's not looking cool again anytime soon, and if anything, like I said, getting hotter than today. A hotter holiday weekend. Temperatures by Memorial Day could be up close to 100, especially over the mid and upper valley, but it's looking hot and mainly dry most days. Still, you might be one of the lucky few people to see a quick little shower or two today, maybe even one tomorrow. But you see the First 1.5 Doppler network is dry nearly everywhere. But if we zoom in, still that one shower has been drifting along to the north between about Los Fresnos and Laureles, and that's moving slowly. You might get a good quarter of an inch of rain or a little more of this if it moves slowly enough. But a little burst of some rain there. It's very localized. I mean, outside of that spot, it's all just partly to mostly sunny, besides one other little shower, the second one, a little west of Arroyo City right now. This line right here is the Willacy County, Cameron County line. So right on the county line north of Rio Hondo. And again, this shower drifting to the north and northwest. And again, you might get a quarter of an inch or a little more rain coming down briefly for 15-20 minutes or so. But yeah, it's good rain, but it's very isolated. For most of you, nothing going on today besides warm temperatures. 90 in McAllen, 89 in Brownsville, and 88 in Port Isabel. But we should easily be back up in the low to mid 90s this afternoon. Already feels like, when you factor in the humidity, feels like it's 99 in Brownsville, almost feels like it's 100. The dew points are up, and there's not too much of a breeze out there, too, to make you feel cooler. So these numbers are calculated if you're standing in the shade. If you're standing in the sun, it makes you feel, of course, much hotter than that. Sustained wind speed is not too strong either, about a 10-mile-per-hour wind, a very light breeze around, and that may be a factor to help get the sea breeze going. And when you have light winds and enough moisture in the air, you can kind of get a little shower or two popping up along the sea breeze boundaries. It pushes inland, which is what we're seeing over Cameron and Willacy counties, but not enough moisture to really get any good rain going, any heavier rainfall totals. And you see across South Texas, hardly anything going on. A couple little showers in Kennedy County, some showers out in the Gulf, and that is about it. Now, Future Track does show mostly sunny or partly sunny skies most of today. And again, there might be one or two other little showers briefly able to pop up between now and about 5 or 6 p.m. After that, clear to partly cloudy this evening, some lower clouds maybe late at night. And then tomorrow, kind of the same deal. Partly to mostly sunny again. Once again, there might be enough moisture for one or two little showers with the sea breeze like we've seen today, but nearly every place looks dry and hot. And I think the rain chances continue to drop more and more by the time we get toward the weekend. So I mean, we go from 5 or 10% right now to 0% by the weekend, and temperatures could be going up. In the tropics, we still have a disturbance trying to form. Hurricane Center watching this area says 0% chance of development in the next 2 days, but within the next 5 days, 60% chance. And it should lift to the north, could be affecting areas around Florida, maybe even as far west as Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana, depending on any track of any potential disturbance. Now, this is a GFS model, and it shows, again, most of the rain kind of hanging down in the Caribbean today, and then watch how it kind of tries to form a weak disturbance and lift north over the weekend. So if you are taking any travel plans eastward toward Florida and the southeast, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi especially, kind of want to watch this because you see it could be, again, if something forms, spreading some rain across the southeast United States. But meanwhile, we stay dry. In fact, if that disturbance forms and gets any stronger, it generally makes us drier and hotter here. So you won't see the rain chances coming back, and you see the heat, though, coming back. Highs around 93 tomorrow in the First 1.5 7-day forecast, 95 on Friday, 97 on Saturday. The weekend, though, looks pretty hot, especially, again, if that tropical disturbance forms a bit, that could make it even hotter here with a lot of places in the upper 90s, probably over 100 degrees in parts of Hidalgo and Starr counties, especially by the time we get to Memorial Day and Tuesday. So we'll keep tracking the hot days ahead, which may continue even beyond that several days in your First 1.5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.